Welcome to the future of learning about sustainability with the 7 Sudanese Pounds Clean Energy app. Today's kids are tomorrow's energy leaders. Let's start their sustainable journey early. Too often, clean energy concepts are merely taught in theory, but not truly experienced by kids. Introducing SDG7 Clean Energy, an interactive learning app designed to bring clean energy to life for children. This app transforms complex concepts into engaging, interactive experiences right on their devices. The SDG7 Clean Energy app is specifically designed for students aged 6 to 14 years old. The interface is simple, the activities are fun, and the content is always engaging for young learners. The app is structured around interaction, making learning an active and memorable process for kids. Key features include a home dashboard, challenging scenarios, and fun quizzes to test their knowledge. Ultimately, kids learn practical ways to save energy every day, making a real impact on their environment. Through play, they learn important concepts, and then they can practice their new sustainable habits. This app is aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goal 7, focusing on affordable and sustainable energy for all. The app was built rapidly and efficiently, using the DreamFlow Build-a-thon, turning an idea into a live app, empowering the next generation to save energy and lead a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching.